Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be filming a watch my hair revert back to curly video. So a lot of you guys requested this. I asked it in my YouTube community section if this is something that you guys want to see, and you guys all voted yes pretty much. So here I am to film it. I am currently in Florida, so it's a different background. So if I do not wash my hair, it is just going to curl up. My hair has been straight for a really long time, and I didn't have any time while I was home to wash it, so it's in desperate need of a wash. So here is my hair, and it's pretty short. It's just about boob length now because I was really tired of my super long hair. Like I said in my curly hair video, I was planning on cutting my hair. Oh. Found a bobby pin. I was planning on cutting my hair shorter because I just couldn't style my hair when it was that long. It was driving me nuts. And I hated filming curly hair videos, and I really just hated styling my hair in general because it took forever to dry, and I hate wet hair on my butt. So I cut it. I actually cut this by myself. My hair was actually about down to here when I got it straightened at the salon. I will leave all of my salon information down in the comment section if you guys are looking for a good hairstylist in the Metro Detroit area. And I'm just going to comb my hair out. So I also brought a bunch of Briogeo products. So I'm going to be trying some new curly hair products out. I'm interested to see how my haircut, my at-home haircut looks. I pretty much just cut my hair the same way I did in my how to cut my hair video. I added some layers and some new techniques in just to give my hair some layers. But like I try to explain to people, like I just chop my hair off because my hair looks completely different curly than it does straight. And honestly, if my hair is a little like crazy when it's curly, it looks fine. So I know how my hair is gonna look curly, so this is going to hopefully pretty good. So enough talking. Let's jump into the shower. Okay guys, so I am out of the shower. In the shower, let me show you what I used. So in the shower, I just used the Briogeo line. This video is not sponsored at all, but they did send these to me, and these are travel friendly. So I used the Briogeo Curl Charisma Rice Amino and Shea Curl Defining Conditioner and Shampoo. This stuff is really good. I've used it before. I really liked it. It's great stuff. I'm going to switch towels, and you guys are going to see how my hair reverted. And we're back. So here is how my hair looks. Super cute. Now I am going to go ahead and put some Carol's Daughter. This is the Black Vanilla Moisture and Shine Leave-In Conditioning Spray, just to wet it a little more. I don't like my hair sopping wet, but to style it, I like it to have a little bit of moisture. And I'm going to use the Briogeo Chia and Flaxseed Coil Custard. I'm going to try this out. I've never used it before. Again, they sent this to me, but this is not sponsored. These are all just very travel-friendly items. Ooh. Don't know if that's going to be too much. See guys, now I can fit my hair in one frame. Okay, I definitely added a little too much. So with this, a little goes a long way. I didn't realize there was so much on the cover top of that. And then I'm also going to try this new Shea Moisture 100% Virgin Coconut Oil Daily Hydration Styling Gel. Never tried it before, but I saw it at the store. Oh, your hair is full. When your hands have product on it, it's like so hard to open anything. And of course, this has one of those plastic tops, so I just popped a hole in it. These arthritic hands, girl. These arthritic hands. This is very watery. Interesting. Definitely not the type of consistency. This is like a light gel. I'm going to comb this through. I'm now going to go ahead and style the other side and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so this is the final look. My hair has no heat damage whatsoever. The girl who does my hair does a great job. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you never miss a new video. And let me know what new hair videos you want to see on my channel next, because I'm really into hair videos right now, especially with my short haircut. I kind of this year I'm thinking about like maybe doing a diva cut or something crazy like that. So let me know what you would like to see next, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!